Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some summer essentials which you should carry when you are going out of the house. So stay tuned and keep watching. Summertime means body odor. So guys, I will highly recommend you to use a roll-on. Right now I am using this one. This is Rexona's powder dry underarm odor protection, as you can see on the screen, and it stays almost for 24 hours, and I'm not lying at all, and it is very budget friendly also. It comes within ₹100 if I'm not wrong. I'm not telling you to buy this particular brand, I'm just telling you to go for roll-ons instead of deodorant because it stays for a long time. Guys, when you are going out of your house, always carry a bottle of water in your bag because it is very important to keep yourself hydrated during the summer season. Now guys, when you are going out of the house, you have to carry an umbrella, and it is not going out of fashion. It is just keeping your skin and you safe from the harmful UVA and UVB rays. Guys, before stepping out of the house, please wear a lip balm which is having SPF, means sun protection, which will give you protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays. I have already reviewed these two products in my channel. This is Neutrogena's lip balm which is having SPF 15, and this is Himalaya's lip balm which is having SPF 30, and I will put the link here so that you can check the video. And if you want to put lipstick also, before you step out of the house, put the lip balm around your lips for 15 minutes, wait for some time. After 15 minutes, then put the lipstick and step out. And don't forget to carry the lip balms in your handbag, as you have to reapply. Summertime means sunscreen, guys. So the first thing, you have to put sunscreen before you step out of the house. You have to put a sunscreen, a good sunscreen which is really suitable for your skin. My skin is dry, so I always use this Lakme sunscreen which is having a SPF 30, and it is giving me protection from UVA and UVB rays. This is very important. When you are going to buy sunscreen, please see to it, is that sunscreen giving you protection from UVA and UVB rays, because both are very harmful. You need protection from both the rays. Anyways guys, what I was telling you, put the sunscreen properly and generously on your skin before you leave. And I will suggest you not to put makeup instead of makeup. You can try out BB creams. It is really good that you try out BB creams, guys. There are a lot of BB creams around the market. I prefer to use this one. This is the Pond's BB cream. So after applying the sunscreen, you need to wait for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Your skin will absorb the sunscreen. Then you will have to put the BB cream, and then I will not tell you to just put any face powder and go out in the sun. There are a lot of face powders compact available these days which are having SPF protection. Right now I am having this one. This is the Lakme's rose powder which is having sunscreen in it. So you can see I have used a lot, little bit is left. So anyways, I always do this. I put my sunscreen, then I wait for 15-20 minutes, then I put my BB cream, and finally I put this powder which is having sunscreen in it. Last but not the least, guys, always carry a scarf handy with you in your handbag. It doesn't take any space also. So in case it's too hot outside, your umbrella also can't save you, your sunglasses also can't save you. That's the time you need a scarf. Just wrap your full face, and only your eyes have to be open so that you can see, and it's going to keep your skin tan free. I hope you all have liked this video, because this video was, I just tried to provide a little bit of information. I know all of you know everything, what to do, what not to do, what is good and what is not good for your skin. Still, to at times healthy reminders are needed, guys. So this is for the day, and if you have liked this video of mine, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends and family, because I feel it is really very important. And what to say, until my next video comes, stay tuned, Loads of love. Tata. Take care.